Now we will show you how the runlinc can connect to many other things. Also voice, like in JavaScript, we can have 3 lines of code for voice, 1 line of code for video into like a CCTV camera on our web page. But we can also connect into this device here because it is Wi-Fi. So the runlinc can connect to Wi-Fi devices. This is a drone here in Australia. We will connect, and if you press the stop code, and then press the get button, okay, then we see that there is code inside the chip, because you can put the code inside the chip to run the page. And you see in the HTML, we also have buttons. These buttons also have some CSS, which is graphics to make them larger, but otherwise they're the same buttons. So on click equals drone up, etc. And also in the JavaScript loop, we see that it still has the sensor, and this code in the JavaScript loop, the last box, the loop box actually says less than 80, and it says turn on lamp, but it also has speech synthesis, which says that alert, there's an intruder coming. So when the intruder comes, then when the intruder comes to this sensor, then it will actually say the voice, and then it will activate the drone. So it says drone takeoff, drone up 50, drone counterclockwise. So the next thing we're going to connect also is this Wi-Fi drone, and this Wi-Fi drone is also connected to the network now. So the runlinc can connect to it and can control it with that web page. So I'll put this drone here on the floor. Okay, good. So now open your web page by pressing the run code. So if you press the run code and then scroll down, then you see the page, everything clearly, the camera view, we have height data. So press the start commands.
Drone command.
Okay, and then the drone actually now is ready to take commands and also to get data. So click on the temp degrees C.
Drone get temp.
And we see that it's 67 degrees on the chip, and the battery level. So click on battery. We can get data from the battery.
Drone get battery.
Okay, 94%, very good. So now let's see if we can take off the drone, and we can see the height data. So press take off.
Drone take off.
Okay, so the drone now has taken off. You can press up and it can go higher as well.
Drone up 20.
Okay, and a little bit higher, and we can see that on the graph as well when we check the graph. Okay. All right, very good. So we can turn the drone, try turning it then clockwise, turn clockwise.
Drone CW90.
Okay, so the drone now is turning, and you can see that also reflected on the camera. You turn once more.
Drone CW90.
Okay, very good. And also let's now do a flip. So you can press the left flip, press the left flip.
Drone flip L.
Okay, so got the command, and did you see that? Wow, okay, excellent, flip. Let's flip it to the right as well. Flip it to the right.
Drone flip R.
Okay, so remember, this is actually across the internet. We can do a local connection and it'll be very fast. Okay, I think it's very good. So maybe you'll land the drone now. It's actually flipped close to me. So let's land the drone.
Drone
So
land.
press the land button. Okay, and so it will actually then go down. Okay, just here. All right, very good. I'll put it over here now. And remember that we also have the sensor. So this is automatic. So we've set it so that if an intruder actually comes and goes and gets sensed, then the drone should automatically look for the intruder. That's what we've programmed. So let's now activate the sensor. The intruder is coming. The intruder has then blocked.
Alert intruder detected, sending security drone. Drone takeoff.
Okay.
Drone up 50.
So now it's actually asking for the drone to go up.
Drone
so the
CCW 360.
It's actually gone up, and it's asked for it to go through a certain sequence as well. Okay. So you can see on the camera that it's actually looking around. Okay, it can see me. I'm an intruder. That's not very good. Okay, so it's found, I think it's found me, found the intruder. Okay, I think I better go away. So I'm going to uncover the sensor now, and I'm going to leave
Has gone.
and see whether the
All
drone
safe.
actually will then
Drone land.
go down. Okay, so you see, tell the drone to actually go back down. Okay, I'm gone now. Drone, okay, I'm no longer on your sensor. So let's see if the drone will actually land as well. All right, very good. Okay, I think it still knows I'm here. All right. Oh, good. Okay. Yeah, it took notice of the sensor. Very good. Okay, thank you very much. You can see all that on the height graph as well, and all the data. Okay, very good. So that's my demonstration of the drone. Thank you.